In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under inflation deflation. So we are going to focus on a subtopic types of inflation deflation. We have 8 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question over here says creeping inflation implies that there is a gentle and persistent increase in the general price level. That's basically the answer. Option B, rapid and persistent increase in the general price level. No. Gentle but not permanent in the general price level. Rapid but not permanent increase in the general price level. So the right answer is option A, which is gentle and persistent increase in the general price level. Next question is this one. It says an economic condition in which much reduced economic activity coexists with inflation is, we have stagflation, slump inflation, cost push inflation, inflationary spiral. The right answer is option B, which is slump inflation. Okay, very important. Take note of this question. The next question is this one. It says a period of economic stagnation accompanied by rising inflation can create, we have hyperinflation, creeping inflation, depression, stagflation. The right answer is option D. It can create stagflation. Next question is this one. It says an economic condition in which much reduced economic activity coexists with inflation is refers to as. I think I've already answered this question. The right answer is option B, which is slope inflation. Next question is this one. It says an inflation that coexists with high rates of unemployment is, we have option A, hyperinflation, demand pull inflation, stagflation, cost push inflation. The right answer is option C, which is stagflation. Very important, guys. Take note of this question as well. The next question is this one. It says an inflation that coexists with high rates of unemployment is, I think I already answered it, is option B, which is stagflation. Next question is this one. It says an economic condition in which much reduced economic activity coexists with inflation is, we have also answered this question. So these are being repeated options. This is the right answer, stop inflation. Last question before we end this video is this one. It says if high unemployment goes hand in hand with rising prices, the situation created is, option A, the right answer, which is stagflation. So guys, this basically can do problems involving types of inflation deflation in your JAMB economics. We practice with 8 repeated questions under this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams, like your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.